Will my newly transplanted hair after hair transplant surgery turn grey? In essence, the answer to this is no. When we take the donor hair from the back of the scalp and we transplant it to the new recipient area, the hair is likely going to grow back the same colour as it was in the donor area. Of course, with age, we're all going to grey at some point, and even hair that's perhaps black or blonde that's transplanted and initially grows black or blonde, maybe in 2 to 3 to 4 decades, it will age the way all of the rest of your scalp is going to age. Now, there is a very, very rare case where some of the transplanted grafts can undergo what we call oxidative stress. And this is really the shock of the procedure. Now, in my practice, I've very, very seldom seen this, and I can't even think of one case. So, in essence, the hair will grow back exactly the same way as it appears on the back of your scalp or the sides, and it will continue to grow that until your genetics have dictated that you will grey or whiten your hair. Thanks very much.